how to send a long video in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send a long video in Messenger. Now, as you know, Messenger doesn't allow you to send a file that is larger than 25 MB. So if you want to send a video file that is longer than that or that is larger than that. Now, if it's just a long video and if it has the very small size, if the size of the video is quite small or below 25 MB, then what you can try to do is you can simply go ahead into your gallery where you have the video. Now, I don't have any longer videos, but I'll just show you a particular one video, and then you can tap on the video and open it up, tap on share icon there at the gallery, and then tap on Messenger, and then tap on chats and select the chat, and you can send it to one of your chats from here directly. If you send it, or if you try sending it and it doesn't send, if it says the video is too long, now in my case it doesn't say that after the latest updates here. Now I haven't updated still, but through the previous updates it allows me to send long videos as well, so it will help you as well. Make sure to update it. But if it still doesn't help, then what you can do is you can upload the video file that you want to send. If it is larger, then you can try and upload it to YouTube and set it as unlisted. Now I've already made a video on how you can share your private YouTube video to someone else, so you can do that. You can upload it to YouTube as a private video and you can share the link to the particular user that you wish to send the video to, or you can upload it to Google Drive and share the link on Messenger. So this way you can send a long video in Messenger. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.